So it's another day. We left the river runs to dry out a bit before we start working on the road. We've got machines incoming. Work is progressing on the road repair, but I have to do it very carefully because the main pipelines are there under the ground, so they need to be protected. Still going to be a bit of a tough one getting through with the FJ because of this narrow section. So they're bringing in gravel and compacting it. It's not just sand. It will take a bit of time to repair this road. Yeah, very close to being through. Almost through. So this is where I had to turn around with the FJ the night of the storm, and they finally got the passage through. Water had to be diverted on both sides so that they don't wash the road away. A lot of work still remaining, a lot of work. But for now this will do just to get through. So today we're exactly 1 week in from when we had the big rains, and things have improved. We've repaired a lot of the roads and most of the water is gone. So this is the spot where I had to stop that night, and the road has been repaired. There's been a lot of suggestions, some about bringing in rocks would help to preserve the road and put up more resistance to erosion, but we have pipelines going through here that we need to protect as well. So I don't think this repair is entirely permanently the final repair, but at least we can use the road now. These soft spots will need to be compacted more, and we need to take care of the water flowing. Get a better canal for when it does flood. Other suggestions had been to get a proper engineer to engineer the road. Yeah, that would be a good idea, but what would the cost of such a road be? Number one. Number two is we've had to dig up this entire road to prepare pipes and put pipes in and then build it back again. It's not, there might be more permanent solutions, but at what cost? We've had this flood now. This is now the third time in 25 years that I've been here that we've had this. Repair it, it takes you 2 or 3 days to repair it. It's not the end of the world. So I think this video will wrap up this series on the flash floods, as the last roads are being repaired. I think this section and then a small section up there is the last one that needs a new surface. I can show you what it looks like here. This is where they put compactable soil on it and start compacting it. So I think with that we will end the series on the flash floods. It's been an interesting time. It creates a lot of extra work, but there's always more work. Anyway, so might as well be interesting. So I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.